Welcome to my channel, Herbal Health and Vitality. My name is Sally, and today we are delving into ginseng. Ginseng, a perennial plant with fleshy roots, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its history is deeply entwined with ancient healing traditions, particularly in East Asia. Revered for its revitalizing properties, ginseng was a cornerstone of traditional Chinese medicine. For centuries, it has been used to enhance energy, boost immunity, and promote longevity. The word ginseng itself originates from the Chinese term ren shen, meaning man root, alluding to the root's resemblance to the human form. This resemblance likely contributed to the belief in ginseng's potent life-giving properties. Legends surrounding ginseng abound, often portraying it as a source of extraordinary strength and vitality. These tales further cemented ginseng's place in folklore and medicinal practices. Ginseng's enduring popularity stems from its versatility in holistic health practices. It is classified as an adaptogen, a substance that helps the body adapt to stress. This adaptogenic quality makes ginseng a valuable ally in managing the effects of modern life. Practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine have long used ginseng to address a wide range of ailments. It is believed to improve cognitive function, enhance physical endurance, and support immune health. Ginseng is often incorporated into herbal formulations to treat fatigue, anxiety, and respiratory issues. Its gentle yet powerful nature makes it a staple in holistic health regimens. Beyond its medicinal applications, ginseng holds a sacred place in various religious traditions. In some cultures, its human-like form led to the belief that it contained a spirit or divine essence. This reverence for ginseng is particularly evident in its use in rituals and ceremonies. In some Native American cultures, ginseng was considered a sacred plant with protective powers. It was often used in ceremonies to ward off evil spirits and promote healing. Similarly, in some Asian cultures, ginseng was believed to possess spiritual energy that could be harnessed for spiritual growth and enlightenment. This intersection of health and spirituality underscores ginseng's profound cultural significance. For gardening enthusiasts, cultivating ginseng can be a rewarding endeavor. While it requires patience and specific growing conditions, the process of nurturing this revered plant can be deeply satisfying. Ginseng thrives in shaded woodland areas with well-drained soil. It prefers cool climates with consistent moisture. The first step is to obtain ginseng seeds or seedlings from a reputable source. Plant them in the fall, ensuring they are covered with a generous layer of leaf mulch for protection during winter. Ginseng requires several years to reach maturity, typically 5 to 10 years for optimal root development. Regular monitoring of soil moisture, shade levels, and pest control is crucial for successful ginseng cultivation. With the increasing popularity of ginseng, it is readily available through various avenues. Health food stores, online retailers, and specialized herb shops offer a wide selection of ginseng products. When purchasing ginseng, it is essential to choose reputable sources that prioritize quality and sustainability. Look for ginseng that is organically grown and ethically harvested. Pay attention to the species and origin of the ginseng, as these factors can influence its potency and properties. Korean ginseng, also known as Panax ginseng, and American ginseng, or Panax quinquefolius, are among the most sought-after varieties. Reading product reviews and researching suppliers can help ensure you are getting authentic and high-quality ginseng. Ginseng dosage, finding your balance. While ginseng offers numerous health benefits, it is essential to consume it in moderation to avoid any adverse effects. The appropriate dosage of ginseng can vary depending on factors such as age, health status, and the form of ginseng used, whether it be root, powder, or extract. It is always best to start with a low dose and gradually increase it as needed, monitoring your body's response. For most adults, a daily dose of 1 to 2 grams of dried ginseng root is recommended. Alternatively, 200 to 400 milligrams of standardized ginseng extract is generally considered safe and effective. However, it is crucial to consult with a qualified healthcare professional to determine the optimal dosage for your individual needs and circumstances. They can provide personalized guidance based on your health history, current medications, and any potential interactions with other supplements or treatments you may be taking. Unveiling the health benefits of ginseng. Ginseng's reputation as a health-enhancing herb is supported by a growing body of scientific evidence, which continues to expand as more research is conducted. Studies have shown that ginseng possesses a range of pharmacological properties that contribute to its therapeutic effects, making it a valuable addition to natural medicine. From boosting energy levels to enhancing cognitive function, ginseng offers a multitude of health benefits that can improve overall well-being. One of the most well-documented benefits of ginseng is its ability to combat fatigue and enhance energy levels, providing a natural boost to those who need it. It is believed to work by increasing energy production in cells and improving the body's utilization of oxygen, which is essential for maintaining vitality. Ginseng has also been shown to improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and reaction time, making it beneficial for both young and old. Additionally, ginseng possesses antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may protect against chronic diseases, contributing to long-term health and longevity. A taste of ginseng, simple and delicious recipe. Incorporating ginseng into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in many dishes and beverages. Its slightly bitter and earthy flavor can be enjoyed in various ways, adding a unique twist to your meals and drinks. Here's a simple and delicious recipe for a ginseng tea that's perfect for a revitalizing boost. This tea is not only easy to make, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. 1 cup of water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of sliced ginseng root, or half a teaspoon of ginseng powder, honey, or lemon to taste. Optional. These additions can enhance the flavor and provide additional health benefits. Combine the water and ginseng in a small saucepan. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the ginseng to fully infuse into the water. Strain the tea into a cup and add honey or lemon to taste, if desired. These ingredients can make the tea more palatable and enjoyable. This soothing tea can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a versatile drink for any season, and is a great way to incorporate the health benefits of ginseng into your daily routine. Enjoy this simple yet powerful beverage anytime you need a boost. A word of caution: consult your healthcare provider. While ginseng is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation, it is essential to exercise caution. Ginseng can interact with certain medications and may not be suitable for individuals with specific health conditions. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also avoid ginseng. Before incorporating ginseng into your health regimen, it is crucial to consult with your healthcare provider. They can assess your individual health status, consider any potential interactions, and provide personalized guidance on the safe and effective use of ginseng. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, and seeking professional advice is always recommended before starting any new supplement or herbal remedy. Thank you so much for spending some of your day with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Herbal Health and Vitality, and come back for more educational and entertaining videos. Have a wonderful and healthy day.